today I'm going to teach you how to test and publish the Android version of your game. So to test it, get your Android device and go into settings. Actually, this depends on the version of your operating system. If you're running Android 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, anything that isn't 4.0, you're going to want to go into settings, applications, development, and then enable USB debugging. If you're on 4.0 or newer, go into settings and it's in developer options. On 4.2 or newer, if you haven't got developer options enabled, go into settings, about phone, tap build number 7 times, go back to settings, then developer options will be available, and then you can enable USB debugging. After you've done all that, if you're on Mac, then you can skip the step. Linux, I have no idea. Okay, so I will have a text tutorial for Linux on the screen right now, so you can just pause and do whatever you need to do for Linux. For Windows, what you're going to do is connect your Android phone to your computer, so I'm going to do that right now. I don't think I've actually got USB debugging enabled, so I'm going to go ahead and enable it now. Developer options, USB debugging. Okay. Alright. So we're now connected via USB debugging. Right. So then you're going to want to go into, your start menu, go into computer, hit manage. Device manager, or devices, or whatever. Now I believe I already have the drivers installed. Yes, I do. Okay, so what you might see is an other device with an exclamation mark next to it. You're gonna right click that, then click update driver software. Okay, the driver software will be located here in your ADT bundle, SDK, tools. No, not tools. Extras, Google, and there. Just select that folder. Okay. They're all in that folder. If you haven't got this folder here, then you're going to want to go into SDK, Tools. This is all assuming you've got the Android SDK installed, by the way. Android.bat, I think that's it. I'm hoping that's it. Please be it. Yes, okay. Then you're going to scroll down to the bottom, and it's going to be this one. And you're just going to click Install Package. So now after you've installed all the drivers and shit for your phone, that's if you're on Windows, and the Linux steps were shown before, all you're going to want to do now is open up my game, Android, main activity. I'm going to unlock my phone, and then I'm going to click play. Give it a minute. No, is it not going to show me anything in the console? Alright, fine. Now logcat, this is where, all your Android specific debug logs are, okay? So anything that's wrong on the Android end, you'll know here. So it is now actually running on my Android phone. I can't prove it to you, but it's running, okay? It's running. Alright. Now, it's time to publish. I'm not actually going to publish this game, but So you're going to want to right click on my game. You're going to click export. Android. Export Android application. Next. Then you're going to create a new key store, okay? You're going to go through all this process. In fact, may as well just go through it now. So let's go final, make a new folder, Android, key store. I'm going to give it a password called password, because, my shit's secure. An alias is basically another name for it. Actually, alias is basically the name for it. So just give it a name, I don't know. My game. Password. That's the password again. Validity. I think this can be up to 30 years. Hover over it and it might tell you. No. That's just a 2. So first and last name. Yeah, 25. At least 25 years. So let's put 27. Yeah, at least 25 years. So first and last name. These are all optional, by the way. I think. No, first and last name. That's all you need. One of these boxes needs to be filled. That's as far as I know. I'm just gonna put that much in, and then you're just gonna want to put the destination for your APK. We're going to call it that. Yep, okay, finish. And this game's going to expire in 27 years. Well, the certificate for the game is. And now we've exported it. So, you're going to want to fire up Google. Android Developer Console. Google that. Okay, now, for you, it'll prompt you to purchase a developer account. I believe so. I'm not sure on this one. I think it prompts you to purchase a developer account. So you're going to go and pay the $25 fee there, blah, 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 blah. You're going to add a new application, title, my game, and then you're going to upload the APK, and I'm sure you can take it from there. Alright, that's pretty much it for Android. Android is very, very simplistic.